Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how to unban your device or account on Snapchat. So you don't need to download any app or a VPN to unban your device or account. All you have to do is to go to your Google browser and then type on the search bar Snapchat support. And then here, let's just tap on this. And then on the Snapchat support website, you just have to tap on the three bar button at the right side of the screen and then tap on contact us. And then here, you'll just have to tap again on the option that says, I think my account is compromised. And then after that, you'll be asked to fill out some information. So here, let's just put my username and then also my email and number. After that, at the bottom, you just have to describe what happened to your account. So here, I'm just gonna say, I can't access my account. I think I'm on ban. I don't understand why. And can you please unban my account? Thank you. After doing that, you just have to tap on submit and you just have to wait for 24 hours and then your problem will be solved. So that's how you fix or unban your device or account on Snapchat. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. Thank you, and I'll see you all on our next video.